Hey y'all, in this video I would like to introduce another company that I've been watching for a while. It is called Vuzix. They make augmented reality smart glasses. Um, Keep in mind this is another unprofitable company, so they are currently losing money. They signed a couple record deals during the pandemic among medical professionals to help with kind of information displayment while they're doing their jobs. It's also another big product in the construction world where you can kind of pull up the plans while you're walking around your job site and kind of serve as a safety item as well. But here's the presentation, their most recent presentation from January of this year, 2022. And we're going to get into it, introduce the company, and then in future videos we will follow up and see how their balance sheets are doing, what the financials of the company are looking like, and note any progress that they're making. And we'll keep up with news articles that come out about them as well. So let's get into it. The company was founded in 1997, IPO'd in 2009, headquartered West Henrietta, New York. And they have offices in US, Canada, UK, and Japan. 110 employees, 80% of which are in West Henrietta. The share price as of January was $8.67. Today that is $6.50, I believe. Market cap of $550 at that valuation, so now it's about $440. Cash, I am unsure currently. The CEO and CFO own about 7%. Institutional ownership, 37%, is owned by ARK Investment. No. Institutional ownership is 37%. ARK owns 12%. BlackRock owns 6%. Rest of the institutions, lower percentages, of course. Let's see. So this is just showing that as time goes on, the size of portability of computers gets smaller. Now we are at smart glasses in the 20s. And you can see the evolution there. So these are augmented reality, not virtual reality. So here they are pandering to the metaverse, whatever. Virtual reality has this large kind of, I believe this is an Oculus here displayed. But the augmented reality is just this small smart glasses that kind of, it's like a user interface that you can see if you're wearing the glasses. Let's see, let's get into some data here, if it'll show us. Okay, so here's some of its different products. M400, M400C, M4000, it's a one lens, and then the blade is actual smart glasses, and the shield as well. So these are miniature, ultra bright projectors, optically see-through displays, and high compute power, all packaged in these glasses here. So micro LED power binocular smart glasses, crisp bright monochrome display, 8-core Snapdragon XR1 platform, ANSI safety certification, so they are safety glasses as well. Self-contained dual temple batteries, so here's where the battery would be contained. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Dual focus HD cameras for 4K 30 frame per second video streaming and UI metrology use cases. Built-in headphones with noise canceling microphone, allow for flawless audio and advanced voice UI interactions. Right. Here's how bulky they look on an individual. Here they are pandering to the construction profession, and they claim that it increases productivity, it eliminates travel costs, probably insinuating that you can more easily FaceTime or hold meetings without needing to travel to an office or a workspace to do so. Improves worker safety, kind of implying that because they are safety glasses and serve another function, that they're more likely to be used, or kind of replace safety glasses in which people don't use. Lowers carbon footprint, kind of implying that you don't need a bulky computer. Reduces worker errors, implying that with the augmented reality, you get more information that you wouldn't otherwise have at your fingertips. Protects worker health, again, implying that the workers are more likely to wear the safety glasses than if they just had regular safety glasses. So let's see. Here they're going to get into the costs. So, all right. So let's see. The M series, 800 to 2500. Google Glasses are 1,000, which I believe these were discontinued. I'd have to double check. Epson BT 30C. These are 500. Magic Leap 1s, 2300 to 3300. Microsoft HoloLens 2, 3500, and more bulky. Both of these more bulky. RealWear HMT 1, 2500. And here you have this separate microphone piece, or also contain battery. And then these are more easily mountable to your hard hat or prescription glasses, safety glasses. They offer a headband, left and right eye mount, and they have mounting clips and brackets for all sorts of different hats. And broad support of applications. They got Skype, SiteCall, Weebix, Digital Accelerator, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, TeamViewer. Healthcare and telemedicine remains one of Vuzix's fastest growing verticals. And this is due to superior design, lightweight, mounting options. IP67 rated and can be sanitized with conventional sterilization, alcohol wipes. Superior functionality. It's capable of running these programs. Currently being worn by medical professionals for 16 plus hours straight during surgeries. I wonder which model and if that is on one continuous charge. Surgery support. Glasses receive surgery information directly from the patient. Remote connection with an assisting surgeon or product specialist. Medical instructions and training via live surgeries or recordings. Remote support for visiting doctors and nurses, EMT support. And then here are customers that they sell these to and how many. So hundreds of units, 50 plus doctors, hundreds of units deployed, and what they're expecting. So 50 plus doctors, steadily increasing relative to 1,000 doctors planned, and increased adoption is expected. Okay, so in the supply chain logistics use cases, they have pallet management. They can scan barcodes quickly. Barcode scanning for merchandise for online orders. Instruction and training on various tasks for new employees. So just slap these on a new employee, kind of give you a heads up display. And remote inspection of facilities for safety quality control. Maybe they can recognize certain safety issues. And here are some of the supply chain customers. And here they're stating a 400K deployment to this customer. 40 plus warehouses to this customer. And yeah, what they're expecting, continue rollout. And for the field service, they have remote support, so technical support, right? Training videos, case you come across, you're not sure how to put this together. Record keeping, record your work so you can send it to your manager or whoever. Site work inspection. And for field service, here are some of the customers here and their expectations. And let's see here. So here they have 2020, 2 years ago, and 2026, what they expect the total, what is this, total addressable market? They're expecting a 73% CAGR. I'm blanking on the acronym. Compound annual growth rate. Okay, and they expect enterprise, including warehouse and remote support, to be the major segment that they're going after. Healthcare being a very large percentage of their total compound annual growth rate as well. Vuzix smart glass revenue continues to grow. So here in 2017, they're not actually giving us any numbers here, just showing that an upward trajectory. Here 2016 to 2021, and then from 2020 to 2021 is a 51% annual growth in the revenue. And they're not telling you what the operating expense growth is here, just the revenue. So 3 segments will drive Vuzix long-term growth and profitability. Smart glasses hardware. Going forward, it's going to be the hardware, the SaaS, and the multiple OEM. And smart glasses SaaS, let's see that acronym. Software as a service. Okay, so they're gonna sell you the glasses, they're going to create apps and other services, and they're gonna sell to multiple manufacturers. So they're investing in a core smart glasses business, including hardware, software, and customer service. Pursue organic and inorganic enterprises, software as a service solution, opportunities to expand participation in the overall value chain, advance core technologies to enable Vuzix products, grow the OEM customer base, and supply to the broader markets. Let's see. Anyway. So, software as a service based business development, acquisitions. So they're looking to acquire different companies, different startup companies that are scalable and will allow Vuzix to own specific vertical markets and enterprise. And as always, software is a very strong margin endeavor. Let's see, anything else? They have 243 patents and patents pending. Control and ownership of key technologies. Let's see, what else? They claim to have the world's tiniest projection engine, which is only 6.2 millimeters wide. 1 micron pixels, 100,000 to 1 contrast ratio, color and high definition engines in development. So they claim to be a leader in this market, and the sector is projected to be in the billions over the next several years. They have a strong intellectual property portfolio with their 243 patents and pending. that is going to increasingly position itself to be a key technology supplier of all future AR, augmented reality smart glasses. Cash of 130 million is sufficient to fund future growth and product development. Okay, so yeah, this very basic introduction to the company here. Now you hopefully know kind of what they're about. And in the future quarters, I think they have a quarter report coming up in August. So the next quarterly report we're going to go over. Let's see. Should tell me when the next one is. So March 2022 they reported. So maybe June or July they'll report. Although I've seen somewhere that they are expected to report in August. But anyway, we are going to go over that earnings report next time they come out with one, and then we'll dive a little deeper into the company. But this will serve as just a brief introduction. All right, thanks for watching.